Yeah, I think so.
What's up guys, it's your boy Zach. Guess what? I'm back with another video for you guys. So today we're going to be doing a chain and sprocket install on the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-9R. So this video is going to be applicable to about 99% of you guys, unless you're riding a Harley. In that case, you're going to want to go and find another video. No, I'm just kidding. Shout out to all my cruiser guys, all my Harley guys. Love you guys. All that matters is as long as you're riding. As long as you're on two wheels, we can be friends. But anyways, with all that being said, jump right into the Vortex Performance Kit. This kit contains one chain. It's an X-ring chain, front sprocket and a rear sprocket. We are going to do an unboxing on this video. And just to let you guys know, I am not affiliated with Vortex at all. They didn't sponsor this video. They didn't send me this product. I purchased this with my own money, just so you guys know that. I did purchase a Vortex chain and sprocket kit for my SV650 and I loved it. That thing is awesome. I've had it on there for about 4 months. I've taken a trip up to the Tail of the Dragon. Haven't seen any signs of premature wear and it's been working great for me. So I went ahead and I figured I had to go back with Vortex just because their price point and their interface, easeability, ease of ordering, they give you everything that you need. They let you know how to do it. There's even some basic instructions on the back of the box. So with all that being said, we're gonna go ahead and jump into this unboxing and then we're gonna go ahead and throw the chain and sprocket on the motorcycle. Alright guys, so this is the Vortex racing chain. Here's the unboxing. So in the package, you're going to get your front sprocket, and it has it stamped on there. It says this is a 15 tooth front sprocket. It's produced in Taiwan, so that's Taiwan's not a bad country. Hadn't been there, but not bad. And then we have the Vortex. This is the 520 X3 Tri-Glide Street Race 1200cc Max. It's an X-ring chain and it is gold. So this is race tested, trusted by champions. Anything other information on the package, some more installation instructions, and then we're going to go ahead and take the chain out, and included in the box is the new master link, and then there's that X-ring chain. You get 2 stickers. Those are pretty sweet. Gonna put those on the toolbox, and then here we have the chain. It's packaged pretty nicely. It does have the grease on it, so we're gonna have to take that grease off before we throw the chain on there. But super nice. I really like their packaging. Everything makes it super simple. And then also we're gonna have the rear sprocket, and again, everything is packaged super nicely. There we go, there's the rear sprocket. Has Vortex on there, and it's going to tell you that this is a 43 tooth chain. And then also, this is pretty neat. You open up this package right here, and inside is a gear ratio chart. So this is going to tell you for your front tooth count and your rear tooth count. It's going to tell you any given gear ratio. So we have a 15 front with a 43 rear, and it's going to be a 2.87 to 1 gear ratio. So that means that for every 2.87 times the transmission turns, the rear wheel is going to turn once. And it also gives you some more charts on tensile strength for any given chain size. So that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and get started with the install. Alright guys, now that we've got the bike up on the rear stand, we're going to take the front cover off so we can break the front sprocket nut free. You're going to want to do that. You can also do that while the motorcycle's still on the ground, so there's some friction on the rear wheel, but I have a big impact, so I don't think I'll have any problem taking that off. But that would be a struggle to take off if you take the chain and rear wheel off first. So we're going to locate the front cover. There's a few bolts holding this on, and then we're going to take that off, break that front axle nut free, and then we're going to proceed with taking the rear wheel off. Ooh, there's a spider in there. Damn thing's alive. What the hell? I need to put on some gloves. Look how dirty that is. This is nasty. All right, there is the front axle nut that I was talking about. So we're gonna find a socket. It's gonna be a 27 millimeter. Brought out the big boy. There we go, just like that. Alright, now that we got the rear axle out, we can take the chain, move it to the side, and then roll the wheel out. Set that off to the side. Then you're going to take this, take it out. Now we can set the wheel to the side. And this is what we're going to be working on. We got 6 nuts right here that we're going to have to remove to swap this rear sprocket out. Just for example, here you can see side-by-side comparison of a new sprocket versus one that has been worn out, and you can see how it has an uneven wear pattern, how the teeth are kind of going forward, grooved like that. That's it's pretty dangerous to be riding on that. None of the teeth are missing or anything like that, but it definitely, you can see how deformed the pattern is on that old sprocket. All right, now we're just gonna take these. Just some love taps, nothing too crazy. There we go. And the new sprocket, drop back in place. Take a little bit of thread locker. Just put some on the bolts. Alright guys, there's a few tools you can use to remove master links. Here's the tool right here. This one works pretty well. I like using that one. You just put it on the chain, open it up, put it on the chain, and then you turn that around. I'll show you how to use this one. There's also this one. This will punch the rivets out for you. And also you can take a grinder or a die grinder and shave off the heads, or you can just cut the chain. All right, there we go. Move that off. And that's how you take the master link out. Then you can just take and pull the chain through. And then you'll be able to remove that front sprocket. There's a nice new shiny part. Got a new 15 tooth sprocket, and then we got our old 16 tooth sprocket. Wear looks pretty good on this thing. It's been wearing pretty evenly, so nothing really wrong there. Now we're gonna move up, and there's splines on the shaft, so just get it lined up with those splines. And we can take and throw the old washer on there. And partially thread the nut in and just wipe it off. They put it in there for shipping purposes because they do come from Japan. It says it on there. So these are made in Japan, which is pretty cool. Got a new gold chain, baby. All right, now that we got the rivets pressed through, gotta deform the cap of it so they don't come off. This is where this tool comes in handy. Just take my impact gun and turn up the juice on it. Now we're gonna adjust the chain, pull that slack back out of there. smell nasty. Oh my god. Look at that. All that gunk. Look.